Okay, here's how I did it. Here's your text. And I'm going to go to Object, Envelope, Distort with Warp. And then I'll choose Arc Lower. And you can tweak it here if you want. You can also do it after the fact. So the bend amount can be positive or negative. I'll leave it pretty much as is and click OK. Now I'm hitting S to get the scale tool, and I'm dragging straight down, and I'm holding my Shift key to constrain it. That's pretty much it. Now if I want to tweak it, I can hit my A key to get my direct select and just move just the bottom line. I could move just the bottom 2 points, drag them down. Of course, you get distortion as you drag them individually, so I prefer to distort it as a unit. Although something that is useful, for example, if I hit A to deselect all. Now I'm holding the Command key to access my selection tool, and now if you look closely, only the bottom 2 points are solid. The rest are hollow. That means these are selectable. These are selected and can be edited. So now if I hit S to scale, that by default the center point is between equal distance in the median center, and I can hold Shift key and drag to create the same distortion on either side. Or I could click and choose a separate. I'm going to click here at the top. Now if I drag down, see they distort from that center point. Let's see, other things, that'll get you there. Now you can just add your other text and just scale it up to the size you need. And there you go. Now, because the text in the center is distorted, I probably want to skew this text a little bit too, or not skew, but distort it vertically, horizontally. What is that? You can do it numerically, or I was just doing it by key command. I click that, and then I hit scale. I'm used to using the old-fashioned method, using the scale tool, and by default the center rotation is at the baseline. In this case it's centered because I have the text set to centered text. And then when I hit S, I get the scale tool, and now I can drag back and forth and scale from that center point, which is on the baseline. And if I wanted to constrain it to a certain axis, I just hold the Shift key and drag in that general direction to constrain it. I find that's actually a whole lot more powerful than the bounding box in most cases.